This is Tabassum Hussain. I'm here with one of my Lean Six Sigma Green Belt participant, Harshdeep. Thank you very much for being here.
Thank you.
He's from automobile industry, and I wanted to take his feedback on that after learning all these methodologies and tools and techniques for Six Sigma and Lean implementation. What is his take and how important he feels that Lean Six Sigma could be if we apply these methodologies in his industry? So what's your feedback on that?
Like before attending this class, my major thing was that this is kind of a management kind of thing, and few people in management needs to be good at Six Sigma, and we can implement that in the system, and after that we can achieve our targets. But after attending this class, I was able to know that it's not a 5 or 6 people job, it's like a team job. The whole plant needs to buy in it, and after that we can achieve our targets and achieve the results we want to.
That is very true, because management have different levels, right? And the people who are working, like not all the employees can be Six Sigma or black belt level, but at least they should be able to understand that what's going on and why we are following it, and they should be able to follow the instructions and the rules and what the tools we are placing in putting in place. So having said that, what do you think that which of the tools for Six Sigma or Lean methodology are more useful to be implemented in your organization, and you feel that they will be able to make huge changes considering the problems you have currently in your organization?
One of the tools that I liked was the value stream mapping, because before earlier we were making some changes, but we were not able to measure how much value it's adding to the system and how much value we are adding to in terms of the numbers. But after doing that tool, my mind changed that, oh no, this is a way to measure like where we were, and after a few months where we are now. So it really changed my mentality about thinking about making a change in a system. So other was root cause analysis. Root cause analysis should be more focused towards implementing and sustaining its value even after a certain period of a time. We make changes in our system, but they sustain for some time, and after some time they get deteriorated again to the same level. So that's the change I liked. And the third thing I liked was SOPs, standard operating procedures, that needs to be implemented in every organization. It needs to be rechecked, redesigned every 1 or 2 years, I would say, and make sure that they are the real focus for in your company.
That's very important, right? Because without the value stream mapping, you will not have the visibility that actually how much value added time there is and value added activities, and how much are the waste and non-value added activities. And one thing I really like that you understand the importance of sustainability. So it doesn't matter that how much improvements you can make, it doesn't matter that how much cost you can save, but if you are not standardizing the things, if you are not making your systems robust and sustainable, there is no use of it. You will always see those problems, they will always come back, right? So that's a great thing. So thank you very much. And there is anything you want to add in the end?
I would like to say that a Lean Six Sigma and the Lean methodology both should be done in a balanced way, and that should be implemented in our system so that we can save the time as well as the money. That's what automotive is.
Yes, that's very important, and it's not necessary that if you're starting to implement it, because it's a long process, right? By the way, what hurdles do you think in the implementation of Six Sigma in your organization?
One of them will be the change of the culture. People are used to working in an environment that they are used to, so to make them change and making them doing little bit more extra from their end makes them feel like, oh, we are working a little extra for the same money and all that. But I would want their minds to be in a like thinking in a way so that they know, okay, if we are doing it this thing now, after 6 months we're gonna achieve this, and how much money gonna make for the company, and how much profit is gonna come, and how much money we can give you guys afterwards.
So they need to understand the benefits of the Lean Six Sigma, right? Because if they don't understand and they are not in the same page, so buy-in from the management, buy-in from the team, it is extremely important, right? So they should be able to understand. Okay, so we also did the cost benefit analysis. of running a Six Sigma project on in your organization. So would you like to share, I know that's a rough estimate, but would you like to share the number, what we came up with?
Yeah, it was around 200K, I would say, and it was totally rough, and we did anything concrete. All the numbers were just like what came in my mind at the time. But I thought if we do it like in a proper way, with the proper numbers and with the proper waste thing that we do, and how much money we can make for the company, how much money we can save.
That's very important, right? Because these were just the rough estimates, but once you dig deep into the processes and you know your non-value added time and non-value added activities, and you start eliminating them, definitely, and correction of the defects in your product as well, so definitely it will be very beneficial for the organization. So thank you very much for sharing your feedback. We highly appreciate it. So that was the feedback of a student after learning the Lean Six Sigma methodology. I hope that you will learn a few things from that. If you have any questions, please do add into the comments and we will try to get back to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.